commercial art, commercialization, or CD. And this is what gives you the reference. And it has to do with diagonal and horizontal lines. Diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that we perceive as three-dimensional art on a two-dimensional surface or canvas. There's a lot of diagonal lines. That's from a geometric standpoint. That's like the geometric architecture of art formation. There's these diagonal lines and these.
Bipolar is prevalent for that when manic is induced. So I have to take psychopathology, parapsychology, because you have to take stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, lucid dream, a number of different parapsychological.
80. So you have a higher frequency.
If you put a very
right.